It's the Weather Extreme Video, the morning edition for Thursday, the 7th of July. I'm James Spann. Hot, mostly dry today and tomorrow with only isolated storms, but the coverage of storms will likely increase by the time the weekend gets here. Let's go in there and check things out early this morning. Ridging all across the southern states. On top of the ridge, an MCS, in fact, two of them, one coming down into Tennessee, producing some pretty significant flooding around Nashville. Flash flooding issues continue up into parts of Kentucky, as you can see, but the bulk of that should stay north of the state today. Down this way, the radar was quiet. That was at 5:15. A couple of isolated showers over Walker and Cullman counties. But again, for today, showers should be few and far between. Starting off the day in the 70s, we'll expect a high in the 90s today. Heat advisories west of Alabama from western Mississippi on through Arkansas, Louisiana, parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Flash flood warnings up north for the MCS over Tennessee. This is the convective outlook today. We have an enhanced risk of severe weather for parts of the Midwest. A marginal risk clipping the northeastern tip of the state. But again, the track of those thunderstorm areas will likely keep them a little north of Alabama. So mostly just dry today with only isolated storms here. Tomorrow, again, risks of severe weather north of the state. And on day 3, which is Saturday, no organized severe weather expected around the nation. But again, we'll probably see a few scattered storms here as the ridge weakens a bit. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning. Amounts approaching 2 inches maybe over North Alabama. We'll take that. But, of course, distribution will be very uneven. We all know that in summer. The amounts much lighter down to the south. And if you're beach-bound for the next 5 to 7 days down there, only isolated storms. You'll enjoy a pretty decent amount of sunshine each day. No tropical worries in the Atlantic Basin. Things are very quiet, but boy, it's a nasty-looking typhoon. Nepartak over in the western Pacific. That thing is approaching Taiwan. Will come into the island well to the south of Taipei, and then ultimately coming up into China, weakening with time. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see the 594 circle showing up here. That means the heights are coming up, the ridge getting stronger. So it's going to be a pretty hot day with at least mid-90s. Somebody probably will do upper 90s. And again, a storm could pop somewhere, but they'll be pretty isolated. Most everybody dry today. Same thing tomorrow, mostly sunny and hot, mid-90s. Maybe a few communities hitting the upper 90s. And again, the chance of any one spot getting a storm, only 5 to 10%. However, the ridge begins to weaken a bit on Saturday, so scattered storms will likely increase a little. Still not going to rain all day, not going to rain everywhere. And I think of the 2 days over the weekend, Sunday will be the day with a higher coverage of showers and storms. And even then, it's, again, same thing. We can't promise rain for everybody, and we sure need it. But scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms Sunday, and some folks may be staying in the 80s all day. The GFS is printing a high of only 88 for Birmingham on Sunday. So the 2 days, the higher coverage of the showers and storms will likely be on Sunday. And this is Monday. Still a fairly unstable atmosphere, scattered to numerous showers and storms with highs 88 to 91. Then for Tuesday, again, it's going to be the story for next week. Some sun, scattered storms. Wednesday, same story. Week from today, Thursday, the 14th of July, 594 heat ridge to the west, troughing to the north, and again, partly sunny, scattered showers and storms. I'd say low 90s are likely. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, July 16th. Trough coming into the Pacific Northwest, 594 heat bubble a little north of here. That looks pretty dry and probably pretty hot, too. Numbers off the GEFS ensemble are just a little too hot, I think. I don't think we see 100 Saturday and Sunday. The European, I think, has a much better grasp on it. It's got a high of 91 Sunday here with an increase in thunderstorms. In fact, Monday has only got 88, and I think those numbers match the actual scenario much better. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.